Sorry about that, guys. I had my router kind of just die out while I was streaming. But just to explain what was going on before. So my videos are currently 30 minutes, not an hour, and that is because I have a disability that affects my energy quite a lot. And I noticed the longer videos, about 40 minutes onwards, I started to get really tired, and the quality of the information provided and the video was being damaged by that. So I just wanted to update you guys on that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to have a look at my other ones, and yeah, make sure to follow me on social media. I am also on Instagram, where I'm going to be putting up my pixel art and maybe do a pixel art session on here just to change it up a little. All right, thank you very much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you next time.